Well, there are new details this afternoon about the boy who shot his dad in the head yesterday in Belen, including the name of the victim and the young boy accused of shooting his father to death. We are gathering a lot more information right now, and News 13's Crystal Gutierrez is live in Belen with the very latest. Crystal?
Well, Mike, police just released the name of the 10-year-old boy. He is Benjamin Hilborn. He's in the custody of CYFD at this time. So far, police say they have not interviewed him, but they hope to do so by Monday. Police say evidence shows he was the shooter who shot his dad, 42-year-old Brian Hilborn, in the back of the head. Police say a 6-year-old was also in the living room when the boy shot his dad in the head. There was a younger sibling to Benjamin. Police do not know exactly what that sibling saw. She has not been interviewed at this time. Police are investigating the shooting as a homicide. They do not believe that it was accidental. Police say they're looking into CYFD records because they found some CYFD paperwork in the home, and they also heard that there were CYFD referrals about the single-parent family. Benjamin's sibling and another sibling are right now in the care of his mother. She lives in Rio Rancho. They were not together at the time. Back to you.
Okay, Crystal, thank you very much. Now, Benjamin is in custody with CYFD right now. Police continue to talk with CYFD about this situation. We will follow the story and have the very latest coming up for you this afternoon on First at 4 o'clock.